What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J and I'm just here to show you guys what I did yesterday on Sunday Funday with a bunch of my friends out there in the secret spot. Wink wink. Yeah, we were just out there sliding, having fun, you know. A lot happened. My boy Coyote Claudio came out with his Mustang 5.0 392 Land. They were killing the game out there. But yeah, I came early and I was doing burnouts. I was trying to create some videos for my, a new intro video, which you guys will see on the channel for my channel. And I was just there by myself sliding, and I really spent my tires. So everybody rolled up, about maybe like 20 cars deep. Everybody was having fun. We had a nice lineup, but I already knew my tires were kind of spent. So when I decided to give it one more go, of course my tire pops, and then I had to dip out early. But you'll see the events unfold. Check it out. I hope you enjoy the content. Please like, follow, subscribe for more. I plan on doing way more Sunday fun days, especially since I got this new tire connect. Oh, so good. I got some Michelin Pilot Sports for like 150 bucks for 2 rear tires. I mean, come on, that's a great deal. But yeah, I want to keep progressing and learning how to control my car more, and then eventually go to the track. You guys already know. But yeah, enjoy the content, guys.
Yo, when my boy calls me up to go sliding, when my boy calls me to go sliding, oh my God. Now we out here chilling with Poppy. Poppy got to put a new tire on. Ah, no. Yo, what'd you do today?
Too much.
Oh my goodness.
Too much, man. So I was at the secret spot. We were sliding, and I got a little too greedy. And yeah, I took an L. My tire popped. So luckily there was a spot 1.5 miles away, so I'm riding around on the rim. I found a beater tire, but you know, it's the name of the game. I got my riding in the Mustang. About to go home, calm the nerves a little bit. No cops rolled out. It was good, man. It's a good day. But I took an L. Now I gotta go a set of new tires, and these tires were pretty good. I shouldn't have done those standing burnouts. That's what killed me. Yeah. I'm only gonna do those when the tire's about to be dead. But yeah, man, it was fun. I had a good day. Sunday Funday, baby.